Today, to teach you to install KD controller, let me show you. This is new KD controller, a small black square box. The fixed design of sliding ray is made. First of all, turn our base upside down for easy installation. This KD controller is normally installed at the bottom of the frame. Now, we fix the anti-slip rubber strips on both sides of the bottom of the frame, and then fix and glue the slide bracket like the video. Then, slide the card slot of the small black square box controller into the slide ray bracket. Finally, put in the screw gasket and the screw fastening to complete.